Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on my VE Commodore here. It's got a misfire in cylinder 4, so I'm going to be replacing all the spark plugs, and you also need a new inlet manifold gasket for this, and that's the part number there. Yeah, whenever you do the spark plugs you need this gasket. So that's the spark plugs I'll be using. And I'll also be checking the coils to see if they're all still working, because I've got new ones of them as well. So I'll just show you the code it's throwing. So as you can hear, it's running really rough. It's got the check engine light. And if I scan, if I use my code scanner, you can see that it's got that code there. And if I go into it, it's cylinder 4 misfire detected. Printer 304. So that's what we'll be trying to fix today. So to start off, we'll remove these covers. Take out these bolts. We'll remove the intake as well from there. Then you just gotta unplug the MEF sensor from the bottom. Now I just gotta unplug all the vacuum hoses, like this one at the front here. This one here. Inside there. And then the plenum should just come up. Look, there's just one more bolt left back here. It's holding on the loop for the back there. It's a 10mm. Remove another connector at the back, which is the map sensor. So there's a connector at the back here. There's a connector at the back here for the map sensor. That you've got to undo before you pull it out. Then don't forget to do your throttle body. Undo your throttle body connector as well before you pull it out. And you can see there, they're the old paper gaskets. They get replaced with the metal ones now. Now, as you can see here, that's cylinder number 1. That's number 2, number 3, number 4. That's the one that's got the misfire. That's number 5 and that's number 6. So I'm just going to undo the coil here and plug it. So now I'm just going to unbolt the coil pack here, the 10mm. Go through there. That's a coil pack there. So I want to replace this coil pack. And that might fix the issue as well of the misfire. But I'm going to be replacing all the spark plugs. I'm going to be replacing all the spark plugs with these. And there's the part number there. So I'll just grab another coil. So I've got a new coil here, and that's the old one. They're both the same. There's the part number there. So to undo the spark plugs, you need a 16mm deep socket spark plug socket. I'm just going to use this magnet to pull the spark plug out. You can see that's the old spark plug there. That's the old versus the new spark plug. You can see this one's all burnt and I'm going to put the new coil in there. Screw it back down. So now I'm going to replace the rest of the spark plugs and I'll get back to you. Now that all the spark plugs are changed and everything's back in place, I just need to scrape away the old gasket from the... So you're just going to scrape off the old gasket. Okay, you get chunks like that left over from the old paper gasket. And you're going to do the same on the plenum. Just scrape away the old gasket. Try not to get any in the actual plenum. Putting the gaskets in, and then the plenum back in. So yeah, as you can see guys, that fixed my issue. Here's all the old spark plugs. They've all been failed. And that's the old coil pack. Yeah, and I'll just show you in the car. The engine light's gone. And it's not running happily. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll keep them videos coming up for you.